All right, so this is a quick walkthrough through the house. Quick walkthrough. Got my backpack spray, CRV, for power flight. They wanted to change the carpet, but something like that. The steps kind of messed up. The railing is off the wall because it gets painted. All right, so we got a lot of debris off the floor. Now it's time to lay my pre-spray. You kind of just want to lay it evenly. You don't got to put too much on there. Once you lay the pre-spray, at least give it about 10 minutes to dwell, so you get a maximum cleaning too. All right, so this part is called agitation. As you remember, it wasn't nothing on the floor before I started, but as I started to scrub, this machine does a deep cleaning for me, scrubbing I should say. So it's like getting into the scalp of your hair. So watch this. And you can see all the stuff coming up too.